Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
I beg you can keep your own, or you can drop your comment right there. I have my own rights to my own opinion. Nigerian does not have database system. As we speak right now, there are ghost workers in Nigerian institution. We have ghost workers in Nigerian institution. Thousands upon thousands of ghost workers will be said that they collect salary under Federal Republic of Nigeria and state. Yes. I believe if Tinubu is going to work, he go work rich there. The two things where una see say Tinubu don't achieve now, be say, okay, he came to power, he arrested Emefiele, the central government governor, and blah, 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 blah. Let's see what goes forward. But the bottom line is Nigeria is not, to me, I'm sorry, I just talk my own, say, the country, we don't have maintenance culture. Make una understand, it is good to start something. Are they going to start it well? You are starting to borrow somebody money under which maybe they have a plan. Maybe the federal government have a plan. Make I know too forward. But you are having a plan of borrowing student money where we say, for now, we don't know who be who. You don't even know how many will be in the country. We don't know how many millions we are. Now just speculation. 250 million, 300 million. No, you start by registering each and everybody. If I come to borrow a loan, make I tell you how America be. Under their database, everybody is in the database. If I be student now, we won't come borrow money under the federal loan for student. If I tender my ID card or my ID, yes, my ID, my ID. If they go inside computer, they go see say Solomon Papa, my papa name go appear under me. My mama name go appear under me. Our address go appear under them. They go no say na so place na pikin of Mrs. Mr. and Mrs. so na be Solomon. If people want come collect loan now for Nigeria, under whose name? I mean, we don't have a database. I don't know how to explain this. I keep talking about this base system. This system is needed. Now he make ghost worker plenty for the Federal Republic of Nigeria. This database where we no get. Now he make they not they pay pensioners their money. A lot of pensioners could not provide the document where they use work in 1972. 1960, they are going to ask them, go and bring your employment letter. The moment I start working with a company in this country, that paper where I give them the first day is in the system. If I like make I work 200 years, they don't need to ask me for my ID when I want to collect my money. They don't need to ask me for my employment letter. I signed under the employment letter where they bring them. Now so they go carry and go put for system. Any day where I don't work finish. In fact, let me explain something for you where I don't know. For Europe, people where they work for Europe, they know. If you are watching me from Europe, where we say you don't pay for Europe, you belong to the system for real. They send letter to your house. They go to tell them, say, see how much where your retirement money be. I don't know anybody who is in Europe that can enlighten us here. Sometimes if you be foreigner, you get as the thing they be, you get as the thing they work. They have to update you. You go know how much where you go collect when you retire. I beg, make una they pick one or two things for this thing where they talk. Make una understand. Because the system is working. That is why where be say they no need to tell person where don't retire, say go and bring so thing before they recognize you. Some people don't die. They want to collect their papa retirement fund. They go say, go and bring your papa retirement paper. Go and bring this and go and bring that. At the end of the day, they will end up not getting their father money. All these things links to only one place where they talk. Database system. Database. Nothing more. Nothing more. I believe if they can work on this, there are too many ghost workers. There are many people where they work under federal government and state. They are not doing anything in the office. That is why the system is not working. They are just there. Some people, they just occupy the office and they are doing their own business. They are just doing their own business. They don't care about the federal job because the system is corrupt. They just occupy the office. Many of them where they work for, where they Nigeria, which office will not enter where we say they go serve una well. If you enter and so everybody go, they waste your time. Somebody just called me now from Enugu. Now his office he go somewhere he goes since morning. Look at the time now. Okay, let's say this is 6 o'clock in Nigeria. Now they leave government office, police station. Where you go do something for police station there in Enugu State since morning. They delay them. Now so they delay them to capture, to pay money na wahala. Before they go can't do anything, everything. Person where supposed to that office answer you, go. It's not on seat. That person don't come out office now. Tomorrow you go come. You go wait. After 2 hours they go tell you say make you come tomorrow. That was exactly what they told the guy. I don't even know say I go talk about them. I don't know say I go talk about them. The message is here. So criticizing the government is a good thing. Some of them they see the agitators as bad people. They are not. If the system is working well, nobody go to agitate. Mazin Nnamdi Kanu will not be agitating. The Igbo people will not be agitating. The system is so rough. Anyway, it's about the loan, federal loan. They call it federal loan. It's a good one for those people where we say they want to go to school, they no get papa, they no get mama. Some people they will say their mama no get, their papa no get. They are very intelligent. This one a very good thing. Maybe the federal government will provide job because another thing we say, yeah. If you borrow these people money finish where they go school, you don't give them job. How are they going to pay the money? That one another thing. I don't know whether that one or another thing. That one or another thing. I am APOP agitators, my brother. I'm not dropping it. If you want to die, go and die. If you want to go and jump inside river, go and jump inside river. I'm talking about loan here. You come with IPOP. If I want to talk about it, I will talk about it. Nothing they happen. If you want make I curse you, I will curse you. I will swear for you. Ismail Oluwagbenga kò ní dá fún bàbá ẹ. Kò ní yẹ gbogbo ìran ẹ bó ṣe wà yẹn. Tó bá jẹ́ yẹn ló wá ọ̀tọ̀ ní tí mo ń sọ bí o wá ń sòṣì. Ẹni tó bá wọ bàtà ló mọ bó ṣe ń ta lẹ́sẹ̀. Ọmọ Ìgbò lèmi. Nǹkan táwọn ìjọba ń ṣe fún wa ò dá. Ní international airport, ní seaport, gbogbo ẹ̀ ló wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Kò ní dá fún ìrandíran ẹ. Èpè ló máa gbà lẹ́nu mi látẹ̀ní lọ. Kò sí nǹkan tó bá dáwọ́lé tó máa ṣeéṣe. Àfi tó bá jẹ́ pé nǹkan tí ìjọba ń ṣe fún wa bó yóò dá bẹ́yẹn ni. Kò ní dá fún, kò ní yẹ àwọn family ẹ. If you want to listen to my program, listen to my program. Don't bring any other issue here. If I talk about IPOP, then I can really understand. I'm talking about the issue of the loan that the federal government is signing. Learn something from it. This Oluwagbenga Ismail Olori Buruku, you are there when the Fulani people are releasing the terrorists into the society. And Mazin Nnamdi Kanu is there, locked up. I'm talking about loan. You are telling me about IPOP. Thunder go fire you and your papa there. You beat a child and you're asking the child not to cry. I will cry. If I'm not talking about IPOP, I don't want anybody to talk any nonsense. If I talk about it, it's a different thing. I'm not begging you to come and watch my program. If you don't like what I do, Go and watch the people that do what you like. Go and watch the inauguration. Go and watch NTA News. Why are you here? You don't tell me what to say. You don't tell me not to cry while I feel the pain. Some idiot will be say they suffer. Inside that sufferness where they did, and so they go they clap hand. And so one they tell me say Nigeria is okay, and Nigeria is the best place to live. You cannot wear shoes in Nigeria for 30 minutes. Everywhere is dusty. Everybody is dying of lung cancer. People are dying of kidney problem. There's no electricity, no water. I'm here talking about it and you are telling me rubbish. I didn't block you. I just block him from commenting. I block you from commenting if you're still watching. Unless if Nigeria is not cheating on Igbo people, if federal government is not cheating on Igbo people, then that's where I swear for you no go catch you. But if it is true that we deserve to have international airport and cargo airport, and if we deserve to have seaport, and then you are coming to tell me to drop IPOP, to drop talking about it, is it a crime to talk about it? Is it a crime to cry? You don't come to tell me what to say on my program. If we don't cry, how will federal government? The federal government will take you for granted if you don't talk. Let us speak the truth. Him is a Yoruba person. Yoruba people are also suffering. It's not as if Yoruba people are enjoying. Not even the Fulani people are enjoying. If the government do the rightful, there will not be Fulani who is kidnapping people. There will not be Fulani coming from Futajalon into the country. Can we tell the truth for once? Make we tell ourselves the truth. Can we tell ourselves the truth for once? It's not as if the Fulani people are enjoying. They are the most suffer people. Me, I can afford to travel. Fulani people can't travel. They can't even go to Saudi Arabia. But when we are talking about who are the power engine in Nigeria, they talk about Fulani, but their people are suffering. They are not even getting good education. Muhammadu Buhari was there for 8 years. Go to his village. If you go in village now, see electricity there. Can you please give us a breathing space to talk? Don't beat a child and ask the child not to cry. To agitate is allowed. To divide the country is allowed. Don't you know that if you have your Yoruba nation, there's going to be a competitive life. There's going to be work for you. There's going to be employment. We are too much and we are too divided by ethnicity and religion. The moment you understand that, you begin to understand that we are going to do better without each other. Those that are in power, in Aso Rock, in House of Assembly, those people in the three arms of government, the reason why they don't want you and I to divide is because they have business. They don't want to forfeit their business. They don't want to start afresh. Get it in your score. Get it in your score. All of us, they suffer. The people where they enjoy, they joy. Me and you, they suffer. Them, they can afford. You see, you know how many generators they did for their house? They have more than 3 generators. If this generator work for 3, 4, 5 hours, they go switch to another one. Not be small generator, automatic ones. And they go fill them with whose expense? You and I. Your money and my money. That is what they are using to live. When they are sick, they travel down to abroad. Their children are schooling abroad. They are even buying houses abroad. I don't know what is wrong with us. My brother Yusuf, what is his name? Yusuf. Say that name now, Yusuf. Say now, Yusuf. Let me see the name of this person. I have to acknowledge you. What's your name? I want to, Yusuf Seller, he said, it's okay, bro, we are using data now. I understand you're using data, my brother. I have to say what I got to say. I've already addressed what I want to talk. I was talking about the loan. So for some of you who just join us, I was talking about the student loan that the new president just signed. It is a good thing that he signed the loan. Do you understand me? It's going to give access to those who are brilliant, that are supposed to go to school, that their family don't have money. Is good. But the student loan is called federal loan. It is given to students. They are going to finance all your expenses in school until you finish. And that loan, they last from 10 years to 25 years to pay. You where they go to do course of 4 years. When you finish your 4 years, they'll give you 10 years extra to refund the money with interest. You where they do 7 years course. After your 7 years course, you are going to pay back the government their money with interest. But where I have a problem is, are they going to provide a job that you, as a Nigerian graduate, will be able to pay back the loan to the Federal Republic? Not be say you finish, you go the ride Okada, you can't take from money of Okada they pay government. Does that make sense? After your graduation, then you begin to drive Uber to pay government. They don't give you a job. I don't know if it's work like that in US. You feel me? Somebody go work finish. You go graduate. You go they manage for one shop where they pay you 50,000 naira. Now for that 50,000, you go to pay federal government. Is the government going to provide job? Maybe they are going to do that. I'm not going to sit here and say what he did is not good. Yeah, he did well by signing it. It's good. It's going to help a lot of people. It's going to help a lot of people. But do we have that maintenance culture? Do we have that maintenance? To maintain that idea for a long time? Long time maintenance. We lack maintenance culture in Africa. That is where we have a problem. For how long is this student loan going to last? Because we don't have that system. We don't have that system in Nigeria. We don't have the system. The system is database system. I said it all the time. We are not registered. They say we have a NIA. Do they have database system? Is that a really database system? I don't know. I'm just trying to see how the student loan is going to work. I don't know how the student loan is going to work. I'm just trying to figure out how it's going to work in the system, that the institution is not matured for that. When I say not matured, meaning say all of us know, they don't know how many person will be for Niger. They don't know who be who. Where the system they work. As I did so now, if police come here, come meet me, say, who are you? I cannot lie. I no go. They know if I lie to police now, wahala. They go ask me, what be your name? This is my name. If they ask me for my ID, if I no carry ID, they still get other way to find me on their laptop. That's computer where they their hand. They can still get a way of finding me. If somebody dies abroad, where they don't see anything, they don't know who that person be. The only thing where they go take in fingerprints. They go know who that person be. Now they talk. Now be. Now for inside that database, they go find everybody is registered. Even trees where they are abroad, they are registered. So I don't know how the federal government is going to do giving loans to people who are not in the system, or maybe they are going to be a system in the school or under the federal government where you borrow the money, your name go there, but it should work for all. I don't know. Maybe they know what to do. So this is just my own opinion. I don't know your opinion. If you talk nonsense, I go to block you. You know, go to comment here again. Now, let me respond to this idiot we just talk now. What's your name? Ola. This light. I want to respond to you. This guy, let me respond to you. What's his name? Let me see your name. Ogunbiade. Make I tell you, my brother. You talk to me, I be Mugun, I not be Mugun. You see those federal government where they see so. People where they there, many of una we no go school, una get brain past them. Many people wait there for House of Assembly. Many of una we no go school, una get brain past them. Say I no go school, no mean say I no get certificate. In a country where people are not people, I mean, how many are you? We want to know. I've said all this thing all the time. You say Rome is not built in a day. Can you start a house without a foundation? The foundation of any government will go good now from the roots. What is the root? You start from the root. Recognize each and every citizen. If it's going to take you 2 years to put everybody in the system, put it. Without that system, there are still going to be corruption. Mugo. All these things they are doing. Do you know how many ghost workers we have in the Federal Republic? There are a lot of ghost workers. Don't come here to call me Mugu. Oh, Rome is not built in a day. I understand. Rome is not built in a day. You got to start a foundation. Now, if the federal government don't start the foundation now, the foundation is start registering everybody. Let's the police reform. I don't want to go much. Because security of every country is under the police. First of all, like I used to say, that database system is for the federal and the police, and even the state. That is where to start. Make we know who be who. If police see me for road and say, I be who you be. If I tell police say I be Musa, meanwhile I'm Solomon. The police can identify me inside the base, say I dey lie. So you are telling me now that everybody fit collect loan for Nigeria? No, go and collect loan as a student. I beg, make we not they behave like say we be idiot now. Me, I not be idiot. I the talker. There's too much corruption in the country. We don't know who is who. Corruption is too much in that country. We need, I mean, I still believe that the country should be restructured, or let us have our Biafra. I still believe I want Biafra. But that one not mean say, sometimes I know if you come here, can't talk the truth. Not be say I don't like, say, Tinubu sign that loan. Say una fit maintain am. Not be only that loan, now be problem. Now make all of us day under one. I mean, let people have identification. Many of una lie, una date of birth. Person where they work under federal government, if they steal money, the time where it's supposed to retire, you go change them. Either they go change date of birth. But any country where we say their system they work, there's no way you can do that. Go to a Nigerian police station. They don't get electricity. They don't get CCTV camera. They don't get computer. They go talk say fire don't lost. Why are you calling me Mugu? Meanwhile now you be Mugu, my brother. Now when you die before the system go work, you want the system to work when you are dead. I want the system to work while I'm alive. I want the system to work while I'm still alive. You say Rome is not built in a day. My brother, listen. How many years it take Israel to be what they are today? But it good make you the wrong go America. Say Rome is not built in a day. I want to go America. I want to relocate to America. Oh, I want to relocate to Europe. Yeah, Europe. I don't tire of Nigeria. But now the same you go come here, come talk say Rome is not built in a day. That person where they talk say Rome is not built. We can build Rome in a day in Africa, in Nigeria, because we have the money and the resources. The reason why Rome is not built in a day is because they don't get money and they don't get the resources. They only come to Africa to steal our money, steal our resources. It takes them time to build Rome. So we in Africa, we can build that Rome in a day. Stop that rubbish. They know the light on our Rome built in a day. We have all the money, we have the resources, we have mineral resources, we have the money is there. But some people, some elites just sit on that money. Rome is not built in a day, and the government cannot. They don't have refinery. Rome is not built in a day. Now only man, now in the import cement, now in the do cement for Nigeria. Only one man, now in the import a lot of things. Monopoly system. How will I not go buy things expensive? How will I not go to buy something expensive for Nigeria? Only Dangote now they give monopoly of bringing some certain things abroad. Now how much would Dangote wants sell those items? Now he go sell them. If I they bring item, another person they bring, there's going to be a competition. We go bring the thing we go sell cheap. Me I feel bring can't sell cheap. Another person come bring and cheaper. Because now the end users now in the suffer. Dangote is killing the nation. Dangote is killing the nation. And who is Dangote and company? The elite. Now then they sponsor Dangote. They are the one. Now then get those business. Dangote is just there as a figure.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.